Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have just a Disney camera album project share to share with you guys. And I wanted to share with you guys what I added differently than my last camera albums that were spring and travel themed. So I did add in something else into these. So I wanted to share with you guys what I did. So let's get started and I'll tell you guys all about the die set I used. We'll talk about the collection and all that fun stuff. All right, so let's get started. You know what, guys? I actually don't know what collection I used because I used a bunch of single sheets from my stash and I don't know if they were the same collection or not, but everything I did use was from Echo Park for all the paper. It was all Echo Park. And they have a bunch of Disney collections. Like they got Magical Adventure 2. They got what are the other ones? I don't even know. They had My Happy Place. I don't even know. They have so many Disney collections, you guys, and it's kind of hard to keep track, but they have a ton of them. So I buy a bunch of single sheets, and I also have paper pads as well, but I do buy a bunch of their single sheets because I know I use them. And a lot of the time they have like cut aparts on the back, but they also have a pretty pattern on the other side. So I kind of just use them all. But let's talk about the die set. So to make these camera albums, I used a die set from Scrap Diva Designs. I'm going to have it linked down below for you guys. It is in stock. I know the last time I shared the other albums, they were not in stock. Hopefully they still are when I post this video. But I will have it directly linked down below so you guys could check it out. And I also have a code for you guys. So if you guys use the code Carolina, you guys also get 10% off your order on your whole entire order, not just like the camera album die set. So definitely use the code Carolina when you go to purchase something from Scrap Diva Designs. She has a bunch of dies and I'll be getting some more soon, like some other album shaped ones. So I'm excited to share those. And to bind these, I did not use a 1 inch. I used a 3/4 inch this time because that's what I remember using last time, and I probably could have went 1 inch this time after adding in all the other stuff that I did add, but I wasn't thinking of adding all that other stuff in until I started adding it because I didn't know what I was doing. That's how it works sometimes. Like I just think of something as I'm putting them together. So I have 3 of these. They are all pretty much the same with the exception of just like how they're decorated on the front covers. Like this one says Magic, Best Day, got a cute little bow. This one says Believe, Best Day Ever, another little bow and an ice cream. And this one says Wishing, Dream Come True, and Happy Times. And they all have like a sequin mix that I made in the center, my Disney sequin mix. I had those in my Etsy shop as well, but they are all gone. I'll have to make some more. I don't know. I feel like the last time I made them, they sat in my shop. Like a lot of them sold, but the rest also kind of sat in my shop. And then all of a sudden everybody wanted them again. And I'm just like, well, now they're all gone. They've been sitting in my shop for like months and now they're gone. Speaking of things that have been like sitting in my shop, there was some envelopes, like little mini envelopes and note cards that have been sitting in my shop for a while. And I decided to use those in here, get some use out of them, take them out of my shop. And I still have more if you guys want to get some mini note cards and envelope sets, but I did decide to put some in here. So I'm not going to show you guys all 3 of them. They just have different cut aparts and decorations, but otherwise they're all the same. So let me zoom in just a little bit. This one's my favorite decorated one. Not my favorite inside, but my favorite decorated one. And I used some puffy stickers here and then some stickers from a sticker sheet. And I think I need to get more puffy stickers in the next warehouse sale because I realized I don't have a lot of puffy stickers, but I do love to use them as decorations on these albums. So when you open this up, it looks like this. I have both sides matted with paper. Here I glued it down on like 3 sides and then I left this part open so it's a cute little tuck spot. I just die cut this out with a tag from my stash. It's like another die set, a tag die set. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. And it comes with a bunch of different sizes. And then I have some seam binding here. You guys know I love to get my seam binding from my scrap cabin shop. I literally have a ton of different colors, and I don't even know what red I used here because let's try to see. I have a bunch of reds, as you guys can see. My scrap cabin shop, that's her name. I'll have it linked down below. It's where I get them all, but I think this is the color I used. Yeah, so this one's called Rose. But she always has different colors. Like, if you like one, get a bunch of them, because the next time there might be one that looks similar, but it's actually different. So yeah, I mean, she does a good job of restocking colors as well, but like sometimes the color that you were looking for is now gone forever. I mean, you can message her and she'll make it, or give you something similar, but yeah, I usually like to get a bunch. So then you turn this, here you have another space for a photo, and you could fit good size photos in here. So let's see, I think the whole thing measures about 5 inches, yeah, by 3.5. Yeah, so you have like about 1/2 inch here that you need for the binding, and you don't have to use like a cinch. I like to use it, but you don't have to use a cinch. You could do binder rings, but you could still add a good size photo in here that measures about 2 3/4 by, I would say, like 4 1/4. So that's still a good size photo. That's almost like a 3, I mean, you could do almost a 3x4 and just cut down a little bit on the 3 side. I mean, you could fit a 3 perfectly, but I would want some more of that showing, so I would probably cut it down to 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. I added some index cards here that I just die cut out with the die, so they're in the same shape. I did that with this as well. So I picked out like what cut apart I want to use, and then I arranged it where I wanted it to cut and die cut that out as well. And then I glued it down onto black cardstock after, and then fussy cut around it and made sure to have like a 1/2 inch folding piece to stick it down. But yeah, so that flips open and it just says it's kind of fun to do the impossible. It just looks so cute. Then this flips. Here you have another space for photo here again, and then this one also has the cute little like tag tuck spot. Then you flip. Here I made a belly band, and it just has this cut apart from one of the collections that I was using. And then this turns. You have more space for photos. You got some journaling space as well. You could get some autographs in here. And then here's that little envelope that I told you guys. I had some in my Etsy shop, and I was like, you know, nobody's buying them. Let me put them to some good use. So I took them out from my shop, and I have them in each one of these albums, and I thought this was a cute idea. So it fit perfectly in here in this, like, in between like the die set. I didn't have to cut it down or anything. And I made a cute little paper clip with tulle here, which I have been loving using after seeing what's her name, Covered by Grace Creations. After seeing her do this with tulle, I was like, that's such a great use for my tulle that has been sitting there otherwise. So you open this up and it's got a cute little note card. I mean, you could add a photo to that as well, and then I just keep that closed with this little paper clip, so that's super duper fun. And you could add a photo to the back of this as well. More space for photo here and here. Then we've got another belly band. Everyone say cheese. And then we've got more space for photos. I added in this vellum piece as well, so you could add a photo to the front and back of this. Then you've got this piece here, and then this one has another like little flip up that just says you and me. Another journal card, index card here, and then another tuck spot, so you could do some journaling and add more photos, and then more photos here. And then the back just looks like this, and it's got my little handmade stamp there. So that is the album. The other ones just have different cut aparts. So this one says best place ever, and these are all already sold. They sold on Instagram already, but if you guys would like to get one, send me a message on Instagram and I can work on some more for you guys. I'm trying to find the other cut aparts. Our favorite thing journal card in this one. This one says best day ever. I think the other one said best day ever also. Best place ever. And then best day ever. And then the last one, just a couple of different ones. So the mouse is in the house. This one has a journal card here. You've got this one that says magic, wish upon a star, mouse and me, happiest place, dream, smiles from ear to ear, adventure. And you could just add a photo to the back. And then this one says magic. And was that it? Yeah, I think that was everything. All right, so that's just the 3 different ones that I made. Like I said, if you guys want to get one, this is my second time making a bunch of these, but if you guys would like to get one, let me know. Send me a message on Instagram, I prefer, rather than like Etsy. And then I could write you down on my list of things that people want to buy, like customs. I don't do like customs in the sense like I don't add people's photos, and I like if you want certain colors and then you want it a certain theme, like I don't do that. But if you tell me Disney, I'm like, okay, I can make a Disney camera shaped album. And then when I do those kinds of orders, I reach out to you guys again after I make it for payment. I don't do that before, because if you don't want it, then that's fine. I know I have no problem selling it. So yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to share. Again, check out Scrap Diva Designs for the camera album die set. And don't forget to use the code Carolina for 10% off your order. And I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.